Your waist keeps going in and out maybe, so your jeans need fixing with a bit of elastic. Here we go. First thing you need to do is get rid of any labels, or say this has got one of those patches at the back. Get rid of the stitching there so that you've got a nice free run all the way across the back. Then just before the hip line, because you want buttons to be before they press on your hips, cut yourself a nice slice. This tape, which we're going to use, is 15 millimeters wide, so the slice in the hole should be just a bit bigger than the tape. Then you have a big safety pin, and you run it down the inside of the waistband and take it all the way through. I'm going to cut another hole here to the hole you've got at the other end. Now these are fairly tough denims. You're not going to have pulling on that elastic, so you don't even have to put any stitching either side, but I'll show you another stitch that will do if you want to. I'm going to put the elastic across. You keep the big safety pin moving, make a little gather, and you move it forward, and eventually you get there. You need to make sure that the elastic hasn't rolled. So here we are, here it comes out. Pick up any bits. And I'm not fussed about the elastic splitting, but it doesn't really matter. So don't lose it at the other end like I've just done. Well, I'll get that back. There. Probably better to pin it there, didn't think about that. So there we are. Now what you need is to sew buttons on either end, and we will simply be adjusting the elastic to fit your waist. Obviously this won't work on trousers that are too tight. It's if you have trousers slightly too big and you need to get them back to shape. The buttons have been sewn on, a little gap, sort of couple of 3 centimeters or so. Could be a little bit big, but not too long, otherwise it could create a fold. The buttons are sewn on with the smooth side, so very often that's the button upside down. I've trimmed this and then sewn it back on itself, the elastic. Stay stitch either end with a running stitch in between, but the running stitch is very thick material, so you have to pass the needle from one side to the other. And then all you need to do is secure the button through the elastic, and this is as big as you want to go, it could be quite a tight fit, and then you simply pull the elastic to the waistband width you want, and then put it on again. And that's all. This is linen, and linen won't like a hole being cut in it, especially not when the elastic's going to go back and forth. I found this thing, iron-on mender, which is a woven cloth, and it's worth buying for this sort of operation. But the thing is that nobody's going to see it. What it is it's iron-on, but it is a cloth at the back, so I'm going to cut a section off, and I'm going to iron it over the area before I cut it. So this is the hip line, this is the waist where I want to go, so I'll iron it on there and then cut into it. I'll put on the patch, and I've marked where I want to cut. This particular patch has got a lot of glue on the back, so because it's quite a lightweight cloth, the glue's gone through both fabrics and it's made it quite stiff. So before I cut, I have to separate the cloths out manually and make sure that there's a nice tunnel in there. And then when I've got it folded like that, I'm going to make a quick nip. I'm cutting through 2 layers of cloth, that is the top cloth we stuck on and the undercloth, but not through the front. Then working from the centre out, I'm just going to wiggle under and cut the length. I've already done it at the other end, so then I'll start shooting the elastic through. Finished. So one important thing, you need to sew the buttons through both lots of fabric. If you need to get the right colour thread, it's worth doing, because if you just sew it through one lot of fabric, then it will pull and split that cloth. So it needs that reinforcement. But otherwise, I think that's really going to work. If we find this too long, then we trim it off and fold it back on itself, but it's not too uncomfortable to wear. and makes things far more flexible.